we will see les adjectifs de nationalité. Well, the idea is to show you how these adjectives change from the masculine form to the feminine form. So let's start now. First group is masculine form un, feminine form n. Okay, so repeat: masculine un, feminine n. Okay, so let's have some examples. Cubain, repeat. Cubaine. Okay, so you can see these small icons next to N. It's a speaker, loudspeaker, so the idea is that it indicates you that the sound is changing. Okay, so second category now, it's est, and then feminine form est. Okay, so repeat: masculine est, and then the feminine est. Okay, so let's have an example. Portugais, repeat. Portugaise, repeat. Okay. And then en, so A-N-D, final D is not pronounced, so it's en, and feminine form is and. Okay, so you can see that the final E in the feminine form only gives you the possibility to pronounce the D, okay? And. Alright, so let's have an example. Allemand, repeat. Allemande, repeat. Okay. And now we've got oie. So O-E-S, final S is not pronounced. Oie. Oise. Okay. Chinois. Repeat. Chinoise. Repeat. Okay. And now we've got ien. Okay, so remember that the first I gives you the sound y, okay, and then you've got yen, masculine form, repeat, yen, okay, feminine form it's yen, okay, remember when you've got like here double N, then you've got the sound e before of the okay, so you get this yen, okay. So let's have some example. Italien, repeat. Italienne, repeat. Okay. Et un, repeat. Et un, okay. Feminine form, en. En. It's quite difficult because we've got this A, and then right after we've got this E, okay? So take the time to practice this EN, okay? So let's have an example now. It's coréen, okay, repeat, coréen. And then the feminine form is coréenne, repeat, coréenne, okay. And then we get un, repeat, un, okay, and the feminine is in, okay, so example is argentin, repeat, feminine form, Argentine, Alright, and then we've got the category, so you can see the icon is changing now, in which the masculine form and the feminine form can be written differently, but then they are pronounced the same way, okay? So in this case you've got the masculine form, it's OL, it's ol, and then the feminine form, even if you put the final E, it's ol as well, okay? So let's see. Espagnol, masculine form, repeat. and then the feminine form is espagnol. Okay, the same way. Repeat. All right. And then we get the k. Okay, so final c. Quite difficult to pronounce like that without anything before, but anyway, it's k. Okay, and then feminine form is as well k. Okay, so let's take an example. It would be easier to show you how to pronounce it. Okay, so we do have grec. Okay, so it's ending with a k, 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 grec. Okay, and feminine form is the same, it's grec. Okay, and then well, actually you can see and so what does it mean? It does mean that at the masculine and the feminine form these adjectives are written the same way. Okay, so of course they are pronounced the same way as well. So you get Suisse masculine form and then Suisse feminine form. Okay, so same way of writing and then same pronunciation as well. Okay, so now it's your turn. Suisse, repeat. All right. Okay. So